The Heart of a Man, Episode 1. Who is a friend? A friend is someone who is close to you, someone who you can confide in, someone you can share ideas and secrets with. Tom, Harry, and Jerry are friends, very close friends at that. If you don't know them, you would think they're triplet. Tom is the most brilliant, the most quiet and shy amongst them. Harry is the most bold and playful amongst them, while Jerry is the most strongest, dangerous, and most ugliest amongst them. They were very close, they share things in common, and they talk about all kind of stuff as friends. The new girl is the most beautiful and most brilliant girl in the school, and everybody like her, including Tom, Harry, and Jerry. Her name is Sonia. She's beautiful with brain. Of course everyone will want to be with her. She smiles a lot with her pretty gap teeth, and she moves with grace and elegance. Once she pass, you must look at her the second time. See the way she moves. She's the perfect woman for me. I wish I can have her. Tom said. You can have her if you wish. You are cute and brilliant too. All you need is confidence and boldness to approach her, Harry said. I don't think she will accept you, but you can try if you want to disgrace yourself, Jerry said, laughing. I would try, but not yet. Let me continue to observe her. Tom replied. During class, Tom would want to answer questions to prove he's brilliant. It became a competition between himself and Sonia, as both of them were brilliant. It's not a competition, brother. Just go straight to the point. Approach her. If she agrees, so be it. But if she says no, so be it. Life goes on, Harry advised Tom. What you said, it's true. But my heart is failing me. How do I even start? I'm scared, Tom said. Be a man for once. Just walk up to her and told her you love her. What's there to be scared about? Jerry asked. Do you think it's easy? Tom asked Jerry. It's very easy. Are you not the one in love? So be a man and do the right thing and go. Jerry replied. As they were discussing, Sonia came out with a book in her hand. You can go now, Tom, Harry said. No, not today. Let's leave it tomorrow, Tom replied. Ha ha, fear. They laughed at him. What is the difference between today and tomorrow? Jerry asked. By tomorrow I would be ready to approach her, Tom replied. They refused to listen to his excuses. They pushed Tom, go and talk to her. You are man. Please guys, I'm not ready today, let's leave it tomorrow, Tom begged, but they continue pushing Tom till he touched Sonia. Excuse me, how may I be of a help to you? Sonia asked Tom. I just wanted to know the book you are reading, Tom stammered. Oh, I'm reading The Pride and the Prejudice. It's very interesting, Sonia replied. Wow, that's an interesting. Can I borrow it? Tom asked. Yes, of course, Sonia replied as she handed it over to Tom. Thanks, Tom replied. You are welcome. I will be in the class, Sonia said as she walked back to the class. Guy, you're too fair, Jesus. Jerry said. How could you ask for a novel instead of going straight to the point? Harry asked. But I told you guys that I'm not ready today and you pushed me. Do you think toasting a lady is very easy? Make Una leave me, Jude, Tom replied as he walked away from them. He opened the first chapter of the novel when he got home. Her name was written boldly on the novel, Sonia Jackson. Her handwriting is beautiful just as she's beautiful. I must summon the courage of asking her out tomorrow, or better still, I should put my words into writing. Tom said to himself. He looked for a plain sheet of paper. He began to write. Dear Sonia, I'm very happy to pick up my pen from the golden basket of love to write you this letter. Ever since I saw you the first day, I couldn't get over you. You are so beautiful and brilliant, and I want to be your boyfriend. And if you will accept me, I will never disfigure your emotional feelings, but I will treat you like a diamond when found in the deepest part of the sea. I will do anything you want. You are the woman of my dreams. If you say yes to me, I will build a green hut outside your gate, and I will sing the praise of your name till the dead of the night, and I will make echo the talkative spirit of the air, declaring my love for you to the whole world. I love you, Sonia, and I expect your reply soon. Thanks, yours faithfully, Tom Andrews. He neatly kept it in between the novel with a smile on his face. The next day in school, he called his friends Harry and Jerry and he read the letter to them. This is beautiful, but you should meet her face to face, Harry maintained. This letter is good, don't mind Harry, Jerry said, stretching his hand to Tom. Give it to me, I will help you to deliver it.